whatever, man, whatever. Um, I yeah, I don't know. All right, so am I serious about this? Am I seriously doing this? I don't know. Maybe, I guess, technically, maybe. Um, so, so I guess I need like what do I, yeah, how do I even do this? Like, I need like the adventure prefab. Uh, I need the adventure prefab so I can spawn the adventures to like walk across the screen. I need like the environment, whatever stuff, so that I can environment, whatever, and stuff. um, I need I need no, that's pretty much it. Just those things. I just need the prefabs for stuff, and then the project's mostly done already. So uh, oh whoa. Uh, oh wow. I did not recognize the outcome of that event. I was like, the Thief's Mighty War Steed? Like, what event is this? Like, I didn't think I restarted the script since we got the new ones, but no, that was just one that I wrote a long time ago and hadn't seen much. Um, all right, so what what wait, did Trusty Bard? Oh no, yeah, no, okay. Sorry, I was distracted by chat. All right, let's man, it's weird to think about the project in this like in this way. I've just been thinking about it like uh yeah, for so long I've just been thinking about it as like the Python thing, but whatever. So like basically like what I need is I need like a sprite, right? I need sprite for the background. I need like yeah, I need sprites for the background. So new sprite what oh, sprite is not set. So what I just want to I don't know. Let's just start like throwing some assets in here and like mixing them up and tossing them around and stuff. So yeah, so like projects. So now it's like side quest apparently assets. All right, so yeah, let's just take like the art for the project and throw it in here and like do stuff with it and see how that goes. Um, so projects. Oops, wrong one. Side quest. Where's side quest? Side quest. Oops, wrong one. No, I'm actually trying to get it. Yeah, this one. Uh, it's like the art for the. Yeah, let's just like put this over here, and then the backgrounds. A lot of this stuff. Oh, whoops! Did I move it? I did not mean to move it. I meant to copy it. So let's copy it back because I was supposed to. I'm not trying to change. I'm not trying to like mess up what we have already. I'm just trying to set up like some new stuff over here, or like set this stuff over here as well. So copy the backgrounds. Oh, oops! I meant to actually put that in the art folder. Copy the bonuses. Yeah, sure, why not? Copy this here. Copy the equipment here. Events. No, that's well. I'll worry about that later. Facts. That's the last thing I'll ever implement. Game data. Karma. Yeah, karma. Copy this here. Players participation. Yeah, the rest of that stuff is fine. So yeah, so now we have our art and stuff. Yay, art. Is there a way to change character? um, I'm 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 occasionally really tempted to try other things with like side quests. Like I don't know. One of the things that like we talked about a lot, not as much anymore because like well like yeah, there's a lot like back when we were first back when we first started side quests, like one of the things that came up a lot was character customization. And I I the only prohibitive factor, like we talked a lot about character customization, and the only prohibitive factor, the only reason we don't have it right now is because it's not convenient for the input method of the game. And so there's not any particular reason that like it couldn't uh it couldn't work for the game. And like I don't know, in hindsight, like I might have wanted to like spend more time like making it work. At a certain point, like I kind of like stopped thinking about it as much because like the way I set up the art for the game is not like conducive to like character customization. Uh, so I don't know. I so like when I talk about like maybe like redoing like all the art, like maybe doing it 3D instead, like I don't know. Part of the temptation there is that like, well, if I'm gonna change stuff anyways, then like I could I could revisit stuff like character customization. It's I mean it's not off the table either way. It's just I don't know. It just comes to mind uh, a lot, especially because I've been thinking about stuff like that a lot lately. So uh, yeah, uh, let's I feel like if I did 3D though, I could get like out of budget more so than with 2D. Like I don't know. I feel like with uh oh yeah, Lauren. Yeah, I dropped those in. Sorry, it took me so long. I'd actually it completely slipped my mind, and I was reminded of it recently though. So yeah, I haven't restarted the script yet, but if I don't restart the script today, then for sure at least tomorrow those ones will be in the in the mix. Um, all right, so uh, right. Let's yeah, let's so right, I have this new sprite, right? And now I have my art uh uptook or like, integrated or whatever too. So like I don't know. I'll just say the mountain is like the default background. So like background. Yay. Look at that. Why is it so small? Why is it so small on screen? This is there like a maximum size of like sprites in Unity? Cuz like pixels per unit 100. Like I don't get it. Uh like if the screen is supposed to be 1920 pixels across and the sprite is 1920 pixels across, like why is it not? I guess is my question. Uh oh, because for one thing, I keep doing that. Like I keep just dragging I feel like dragging like a sprite or like an image from down here up to here like I feel like that should like I feel like if I drag BG up to here like that should like set the sprite, but it doesn't. Um but other than that, yeah. So uh why is it so small? I'm inclined to wonder. Uh Maybe the camera or something? I don't know. Oh, yeah? No, I have no clue. I have no clue. I just don't have a clue. So, what size of camera would make this exactly the right size? 1.6 for no particular reason? Oh, no, that's not even exactly the right size. because like it's like over the edge, just ever so slightly. So what arbitrary number? I don't know. Uh, is that? I don't know. Why is that so weird? That just seems really weird to me. I guess it's like, I guess it's like something to get used to. Like it's just like, uh, I'm so familiar with these assets at this point that like, just seeing them in a different context is gonna be weird. But wait, pixel per unit, is that a real thing? Pixel per unit? You're making that up, aren't you? Uh, um, sprite mode, single, multiple. Yeah, I don't know. Like with the sprite, why would you not default to like pixel per unit equals one? Um, oh, how often do quests appear? Quests appear. I mean, technically I have control over it, but like with the automated system, they appear. I think like once every like 15 minutes. I think I said it too. Um, yeah, I'm not like the best GM of this game, or like I'm not the most engaged GM of this game. Like hypothetically, like they're supposed to happen more frequently than that, but I don't know. So, oh yeah, that's the other thing is that when I have Unity open, like side quests, like the audio like doesn't play as loudly. Um, yeah. Uh, so do do. I have no freaking clue what I'm doing right now. And Unity's not really helping, is the thing, right? I mean, like, yeah, sure, I don't have any clue of what I'm doing right now, but like, Unity, like, making my sprites like weird sizes is like not not the ideal circumstance. Oh, is this max size thing? No, I don't know. Compressed, true color. I don't know. um, I was kind of hoping like I don't want like the fuzz. Like I want the pixels to be like I don't want aliasing. I want like the pixels to be like authentic. Uh, so it's a little disappointing that like it's not defaulting to that. I feel like why why would you not default to that? I guess. Wait, what? Unapplied import settings? No, I don't know what you're talking about. Uh, filter mode. Sprite editor. It knows the width is 1920. It knows the width is 1920. It knows the width of this resolution is supposed to be 1920. What a jerk. What an absolute jerk. Uh, so so hacks then, huh? So hacks, right? Oh, pixel per unit is in the camera? Is that a real thing? I wasn't really seeing it other places. Um, yeah, so, I don't know. I, I'm like, I'm not, yeah. I'll stop like ranting, I guess. Because like I have been ranting an awful lot. And I'm tempted to rant more because like really like my mindset right now is like, let's rant. Let's rant about stuff. Because, there's still like, it's still just not clear to me um, what's gonna really oh um, um, yeah, like what turns out to be like the correct answer. Who knows? Maybe it'll be like something that we haven't that like hasn't even come up as like a possible option. But yeah, I guess that was the other thing. That was the other, I guess that was part of the other reason that I wasn't enthusiastic about using Unity is that like everything I've heard about like 2D and Unity is like awful. Like I never heard anyone be like, "Oh, I used Unity for 2D," and like that sentence like every time it's come up has like ended in like screaming and like cries of anguish. So I it's off to a great start in terms of like just not being like just being completely unable to render pixels at pixel size. It's like, oh, you want your pixels to be like petite, like you want your pixels like micro sized. Obviously, it's like, obviously, really, Unity, obviously, obviously, um, True Color. I'm just like changing random things. uh, so point, yeah, so point. Is that the one that gets it not anti-aliased? Yeah, that's probably it's probably not anti-aliased. Uh, Fully aliased. It's still not the right size though. Funny thing. Uh, wait, what? Wait, how do I undo those things? Wait, what? I want to undo Unity. What is your freaking problem? I'm just gonna re-import, I guess. Maybe that'll fix it. No? Seriously? Oh, what is this warning? Only POT texture can be compressed if MIP maps are enabled. Only textures with width height being multiple of 4 can be compressed. Alright, sure. Um, why is it not... Uh, delete, I guess? Delete? Yeah? I don't know. Alright, so... I should probably, like, I really don't know right now. Like, I'm thinking, yeah, part of the reason I was interested in finding out what you guys wanted, what you guys were interested in earlier, was because, like, this, like, if I, I just don't see myself accomplishing anything particularly, I don't know, noteworthy, I guess, so, uh, I don't know. I got no guidance on that topic, so I hope you're not too disappointed with the outcome. But nah, as it is, like I think I just like I I think I as much as I hate to say it, I think I just like can't right now. Like everything's like awful right now. Like like literally everything is just like thoroughly awful right now, and it's difficult. So I'm gonna close this for now. We got a lot accomplished. Uh, Unity acted like a jerk, and yeah, that was about it. We got all that accomplished. So much accomplished. Like I don't know. I really don't. Like the options right now are basically just like settle for like how unimpressive Python is acting, or I don't know. I really don't. Anyhow, I like I said, like I wish I wish I had something interesting to do right now. Wouldn't it be great if I had something interesting to do right now? Wouldn't that be fantastic? As it is, I'm going to switch over to Facecam because uh, that's what you do. When I worked on games at Harmonix, what aspects did I work on? A lot of stuff. Like I was there for 6 years, so like I did basically like a little bit of everything. Um, all right, so the reason I switched over to Facecam, as I'm sure a bunch of you know, I'm gonna wrap it for this evening. So before I go, I would like to say thank you to everyone who stuck it out. Like honestly, I appreciate that you're still here. Although to be perfectly frank, I have no clue why you guys are still watching. Like seriously, like this, like all right. No, but thank you everyone. I hope well yeah no. See, I typically try and keep a higher standard of like interest like on the stream. Like I actually try and like do things that like I don't know. I don't know. Like I don't know how to describe it except that like you guys are very tolerant. Like you guys are incredibly tolerant. So thank you for that. And I yeah, it's not always like this. Like sometimes I actually accomplish things and like make games, right? So I hope to see you all again sometime, and we can do more of that. In the meantime, I'm not finding like anything super great online. Oh, we'll yeah, we'll go. All right, let's kick it over in this direction. So I guess one last time I'll say thank you to everyone. If you didn't find the follow button, it's down in the corner. Whatever. And I hope you all have a wonderful whatever time of day it is where you are. And bye guys, bye, bye. um, all right, and then I'm gonna type the host. Uh, WATSON 612. Blah. Did that work? Huh. Yeah, there it goes. All right. So bye. Bye.